Hey, Professor Emmerich, this is Connor Lowe doing assignment 7. So for this one, we were tasked to input a dictionary with course names and print a sorted list of corresponding course numbers to those course prefixes. The first part, we're defining the function, creating a empty final dictionary that was asked of us. Then we look to the original dictionary, and then we say there's a key and there's a value. So for each value, we're going to break it up because it has to be sorted, and it's in a tuple. So that's what we do here. We take the num list, we sort it, and then for each key, we take those sorted numbers and pair it to that in the final dictionary. Then it's time to print. We print each key in this final dictionary, and then for each number next to that key, we're going to print them out. So here is the final. We have 3 class names and then their corresponding tuples, and we go ahead and run them. And then C, we'll have the course prefix, the sorted numbers, and then the rest of them. Thank you very much.